In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export a song in Suno AI. So let's get started. So basically, if this is like downloading it, you just need to go into the Create tab, or you could also go into Library, basically the same thing because you'd still see the list of songs that you have here in Suno. And you can just choose one on which one you would want to download. So let's say that I would want to download the second one, which is right here. So now you want to navigate on the right side of that. You should see these three dots. You want to click on that, and then you could see the download button in here. So when you hover your cursor on that, you would now have these choices. You can now export or download it as an MP3, WAV file, or video file. So the last two options are only available for the pro versions. In my case, I'll just go for MP3, and then you would now have this notice right here because we're only in the free plan. So it's not eligible for commercial use. Once you're done with that, you can click on download anyway, and it will now be downloaded as you can see right here. And that's how you can export a song in Suno AI.